bonfire, grilled barbecue on a hot summer day. Those are combustion reaction. I'm sure you're familiar with combustion reaction many times in your life, but let's talk about it. How does it occur? How do we prevent it? Okay. All right. So to make a fire, right? To make fire, you need three components, right? Without these three components together, you can have just two or one. You need to have these three components together. Without one of these, you can't make fire, all right? The three components are heat, fuel, and oxidizing agent, usually oxygen in the air. Okay, so three components: heat, fuel, and oxygen gas. All right. So for example, this is a combustion reaction of a fuel. Could be in your car, could be in gasoline or whatever. So there's a fuel. So let's say that's octane burning. So there's a adding heat into it, and then oxygen in the air. The product is always carbon dioxide, water, and a large amount of heat. This is an exothermic reaction. Okay, the common hydrocarbons or fuel, we have a methane, acetylene, ethylene, propane, butane, benzene, octane. You probably have heard some of this before. Okay, same thing. All right, so burning methane, propane, same thing. You need an oxygen gas, fuel. These two are fuel, oxygen gas, and then heat. Okay, all right. Give you some examples. So methane, which is a fuel that used in water heater with the oven and gas turbine. All right, same thing. You want to make a fire, so you need fuel, oxygen, and a heat. Okay. All right. Let's balance equation real quick. So let's say one carbon on the left side, one carbon on the right side. Okay. 4 hydrogen on the left, 2 hydrogen on the right. So I'm going to add 2 here. All right. Adding 2 here, you're going to affect number of oxygen on the right. Okay. All right. What else we got? So oxygen is the last one you have to do. So 2 and 2, that's 4. So right here we add 2 oxygen there. Here we go. All right. All right. Another one. So we have a propane gas, usually used in cooking or fireplace. All right. So 3 carbon on the left side, 1 carbon on the right side. So put 3 right here. All right. What else have we got? 8 hydrogen on the left side. So put 4 in front of water. That affect number of oxygen. So we have 6 oxygen, 4 oxygen. So 10 total. On the left side, add 5 in front of oxygen. There we go. All right. All right. Now let's try to do on your own here. So write a complete balanced combustion of octane. So octane look like that. C8, H18 in the presence of oxygen gas and heat. All right, pause the video and do it on your own. Okay. All right. So again, if you want to make fire, you need a fuel. Already have it. That's octane. You need an oxygen. What's the last one? You need a heat. By the way, so delta sign, like on the reaction arrow in chemistry, that's a heat, but in the mathematic equation, that's a different, right? Okay. Octane, oxygen, and heat. What's the product? What do you get? Always carbon dioxide and water. Okay. All right, now let's balance this equation. So 8 carbon on the left side, 1 carbon on the right side. Put 8 in front of carbon dioxide. Hydrogen, so we have 18 on the left side, only 2 on the right, so you add 9 in front of water. Okay, so right now we have 25 oxygen total on the right. What do we do here? 25 and a half. Right, it's not conventional, so times 2, the whole thing. Here we go. That's what you get. There we go. That's combustion reaction. All right. Now that's how we make fire. Now we're gonna talk about how to put out fire. Let's talk about moment of safety on the next video.